Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're diving deep into a crucial topic that every leader needs to master, building trust in leadership. We've got some fantastic strategies and tips to share with you. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you'll never miss our valuable content. Trust is the backbone of effective leadership. Imagine a leader without the trust of their team. It's like trying to build a house without a foundation. So let's get right into it. Strategy number 1, lead by example. It all starts with you. Show integrity, accountability, and ethical conduct in everything you do. When you walk the talk, your team is more likely to follow your lead. Strategy 2, effective communication. Open and transparent communication is key. Keep your team informed about your goals and changes. Picture this, a bridge of trust built on the pillars of communication. Strategy 3, consistency. Consistency in your actions and decisions is crucial. When your team knows what to expect, they'll trust your leadership like a steady ship. Strategy 4, empower your team. Give your team autonomy and responsibility. Imagine trust as a garden. Let your team's potential bloom. Strategy 5, be vulnerable. It's okay not to be perfect. Admitting your mistakes and showing vulnerability humanizes you, making your team trust you even more. Strategy 6, building relationships. Invest time in getting to know your team personally. Imagine trust as a bridge and these relationships as its sturdy pillars. Strategy 7, fulfill promises. When you make commitments, ensure you keep them. Trust is like a fragile vase. Once broken, it's challenging to put back together. Strategy 8, encourage feedback. Create a culture where feedback flows freely. Picture trust as a river. Feedback keeps it flowing smoothly. Strategy 9, acknowledge and reward. Celebrate your team's victories, no matter how small. Imagine trust as a garden. Acknowledgement is the sunlight that makes it flourish. Strategy 10, lead with empathy. Understand your team's needs and emotions. Imagine empathy as the glue that holds the trust together. Strategy 11, set clear expectations. Ensure your team understands their roles. Think of trust as a well-constructed building. Clear expectations are its strong foundation. Strategy 12, invest in development. Support your team's professional growth. Trust is like a tree. Nurturing it leads to growth. Strategy 13, handle conflicts constructively. Address conflicts promptly and positively. Think of trust as a rope bridge. Conflict resolution keeps it from fraying. Strategy 14, promote diversity and inclusion. Encourage a diverse and inclusive workspace. Imagine trust as a colorful mosaic. Diversity and inclusion are its vibrant pieces. Strategy 15, lead with integrity. Integrity is the foundation of trust. Imagine trust as a skyscraper. Integrity is the bedrock. Strategy 16, be patient. Building trust takes time. Trust is like a growing tree. Patience is the key to seeing it flourish. Strategy 17, seek feedback on your leadership. Act on feedback to improve continuously. Trust is like a puzzle. Feedback helps you find the missing pieces. Strategy 18, continuously learn and grow. Keep evolving and growing as a leader. Trust is like a river. It keeps flowing when you keep learning. So there you have it, our strategies and tips for building trust in leadership. Trust is the glue that holds teams together, and it's built on a foundation of integrity, communication, and empathy. Remember, it's a journey, not a destination. Keep working on it, and your team will follow you to greater heights. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll be back with more insightful content soon. Until then, keep building trust and leading with integrity. Take care.